iPhone 14 Pro Max Rumors and Expectations. iPhone 14 Pro Max. 1. Welcome viewers and Apple enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Apple rumors as we discuss the highly anticipated iPhone 14 Pro Max. Remember, everything we talk about here is based on rumors and leaks, so take it with a grain of salt. Until Apple makes an official announcement, design and display too. Let's start with the design. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is rumored to feature a complete design overhaul. We might see a reduction in the notch size or possibly even a punch-hole camera design. Additionally, Apple could be introducing new color options to keep things fresh and appealing. As for the display, we're hoping for a promotion 120Hz LPO OLED panel. This would not only bring smoother scrolling and animations, but also improved battery efficiency by dynamically adjusting the refresh rate. Performance. When it comes to performance, it's almost certain that the iPhone 14 Pro Max will be powered by the latest and most powerful Apple chipset, likely called the A16 Bionic. Expect significant improvements in CPU, GPU, and AI performance. Camera 5. The camera system on the iPhone 14 Pro Max is expected to receive some exciting upgrades. We might see a larger sensor size for better low-light performance and improved computational photography features. Additionally, rumors suggest the introduction of an under-display Face ID system, which could lead to a cleaner and more immersive display experience. Battery and charging. 6. Battery life is always a concern for heavy smartphone users. With the iPhone 14 Pro Max, Apple might implement a larger battery capacity while optimizing power efficiency. Moreover, we hope to see faster wired and wireless charging capabilities. Software and features. 7. On the software side, the iPhone 14 Pro Max will likely ship with the latest iOS version, bringing new features and improvements to the user experience. Augmented reality AR enhancements and updates to Siri are also anticipated. Conclusion. 8. In conclusion, the iPhone 14 Pro Max promises to be an exciting device for Apple fans. As we eagerly await its official announcement, these rumors and expectations give us a glimpse of what Apple might have in store for us. 9. What features are you most excited about for the iPhone 14 Pro Max? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things Apple. Thanks for watching.